Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we're going to be doing all-day keto coffee. Before we go for the recipe, request you to please subscribe the channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, amazing, awesome recipes which are super easy and super quick to eat. So let's quickly go and see our recipe. Coffee powder, MCT, that is coconut oil, cinnamon powder, liquid stevia, a cup of hot water, 20 grams butter. First, cup of hot water, coffee powder, a dash of cinnamon, 5 to 6 drops of stevia, a tablespoon of MCT, and last 20 grams of butter. And our all-day keto coffee is ready. So this is loaded with good fats, and here it is. So our all-day keto coffee is ready. The benefits of the same: first, it has cinnamon, which helps you to reduce your blood sugar level. Second, it is loaded with antioxidant. And last but not the least, it has MCT, that is medium chain triglyceride, which is a powerhouse of energy. That means it helps you to metabolize fat at a faster rate. So make sure you include this in your daily diet. Thank you.